If you have issues with mobile data not working properly on a Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, then in that case we can open the settings. Then over here we're gonna proceed to network and internet. And the first thing, although it might sound obvious for many people, what you want to check is the airplane mode. If the airplane mode is enabled, then of course you will not be able to use mobile data, so you want to turn it off if it's enabled. Sometimes this option can be enabled by accident, and you might not be aware of that, so be sure to turn it off. Besides that, if you use a VPN, then it also can cause some issues with the connectivity. So if you do have a VPN enabled on your phone, you want to turn it off, whether it is a dedicated VPN profile that you created by yourself in here, or whether it is an app that you installed for VPN. So you want to temporarily turn it off in order to see if that makes any difference. Besides that, we have private DNS, which also, of course, may have an impact on the connection. So in this case, you want to make sure that it is set to automatic, which is the default option. And this is, of course, only valid if you switched it off or if you used a private DNS provider hostname. Now, besides that, we can also go to the SIMs option. And the first thing that we can do is we can go to the SIM settings. You want to tap on your SIM. And here you want to make sure that mobile data is enabled. Also, if you go to the notifications tray, here we have, of course, the internet or mobile data button. You can check if mobile data is enabled in here. Besides that, if you use two SIMs at the same time, you can choose which SIM should be used by default. So if that's your case, if you have two SIMs active, you want to make sure that the proper SIM is selected in here, the one that you actually intend to use. Also, a similar option can be, or actually a similar choice can be done by going to the same internet menu by going to notifications in here. Now, besides that, in the case of two SIMs active on Nothing Phone 4a or 4a Pro, we have automatic data switch option, which allows you to, or allows the phone to switch between both of these SIMs if the main SIM has poor connectivity. So of course you want to probably disable this option if that is the case, if you have this enabled. Going back to the SIM settings, of course we can also find the preferred network type, which the recommended option is of course 5G. So if you disabled 5G on your phone and you decided to use 4G at most, you can temporarily turn 5G back on in order to see if that helps. Besides that, another thing that we can do is we have the data saver, which also can limit the mobile data or the connectivity of mobile data. So you want to temporarily disable data saver in order to see if you can improve the connection of mobile data. Also, one more thing that I actually forgot about in the SIMs is the data warning and limit. So if your mobile data turns off after some time, then this might be due to the limit being enabled. So you want to either adjust the limit or you can just turn it off completely. Now, besides these options in here, you can also go back to the main page of settings. In here, we're gonna scroll down and you want to go to System, then you want to choose Reset Options. And in here, we can find Reset Mobile Network Settings. If you have two SIMs, then you can also choose which mobile network setting you want to reset or for which SIM you want to do that. If you have just one SIM, then this option, of course, is not available. So you want to reset settings for the SIM that you intend to use for mobile data. And then you want to tap on Reset Settings in here. And then you want to check if then you have access to the mobile data. And last but not least, actually there are two more things. And one thing is that you can simply restart your phone. So if you open the power menu, and then in here we should be able to find the restart option. So sometimes a simple restart of the device can be actually very helpful, and you might be able to solve your issues with mobile data by doing so. And the last thing that I wanted to mention is of course the fact that sometimes there might be mobile data issues due to some server issues or signal issues on the operator's side. So if there is some sort of outage going on, then unfortunately there is nothing that you can do other than just simply, you can just simply wait until it's solved by the carrier or operator, and that is pretty much it. So if you have another, for example, device that uses the same network, Then you can check if you have issues with mobile data on there. But if you don't have any way to check that, then you can, for example, try to Google if there is like any server outage going on by entering the name of your service provider. And then, you know, you can try to get some maybe news, maybe some articles, or maybe there is a way to check if the signal is, you know, is working properly. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.